Hello the internet! It is Thursday the 3rd of June 2021 and welcome back to the channel. Wave 3, day number 3, a wave a day winter, brought to you by Arsen Wetsuits and Bell Surf Wax. Oh, there is hardly any swell. What? This looks... let's have a look. Not much going on here. A little something here. It's not worth going to Crookies. We're gonna get a little something here. I feel like this could be a very quick... What's going on down here? Anything? Well, looks like I'm gonna be hitting that lousiness. This looks terrible. I guess I should make a decision too here. If it gets like this, or if it gets worse than this, do we just pull it for the day and say, I'll make up a day at the end of the month? I mean, arguably there is a wave there, but you know, I'm looking for better waves. I'm looking for better conditions. Let's get down and make a decision. Wow, it's lousy. Maybe tomorrow I should look at the conditions before I don my wetsuit and get all psyched up. I'm going out. I'm going surfing. I'm thinking, you yahoos don't want to be bored with this. Like, there's going to be nothing rideable here. I'm going to have to pull a rabbit out of a hat to get something, and you guys will be like, this is boring. So let's go out here and make something happen. But then tomorrow, see, there's actually going to be a little section here, pretty messy. Look, let's do something now. Let's do it, and then tomorrow we'll make a decision. And here's the other thing: it's cold. The sand is cold. My wetsuit's wet. I'm cold, and this does not look exciting to try to get. I'm stalling. All right, that's the plan. Now let's get wet. I'm gonna walk to the beach with my surfboard in the air. I don't know why. How does that look different? Does that look crazy? It's kind of testing the max lens mod to see what it's doing up there. Theoretically, it should be level to the ground. It's cold. Oh, good morning, Thursday. I was cold paddling, a little cold, but I think that's because my wetsuit was still wet. See, the water temperature's nice, or it's cold, but it's not as cold as my wetsuit was. There is a slight offshore breeze from the southwest, which is this way. That's cold. But, you know, here we are. Not waiting. Sail to the moon, drive by the... Saw a dolphin go through that wave. That looks awesome. I looked up as I was paddling towards a wave, and a dolphin was like literally riding across the wave under the speed. I was like, I need a Metamask GoPro to show you that. That would have just been me paddling. You would have seen the whole thing in front of me. COVID. I'm not sailing. I'm not waiting. I'm not sailing. I'm not waiting. As was expected, it's pretty lousy here today. We're 16 minutes in. And not a lot's happening. Land of another earth, sitting on a rock, I'm sailing with energy and Captain King, floating in a tum-tum, I'm sailing at the end of the world. It's the end of your life, till the end of time, I'm sailing. that's the best I could get there, I think. That little right-hand section. That's I mean, that even surprised me that happened. The waves in front of that, I think there was about 3 or 4. They were rubbish, absolute garbage. Don't watch them. Hang on, if you've already watched them, you've watched them. Don't ever watch them again. Yeah, that last little right section, funnily enough, that did get me psyched up. I was like, oh yeah. But this is day 3. There's still a long ways to go on this project, so there's no need to push it. I'm cold. It's miserable. Look at that section there. Little left there. Couldn't get that, could I? I was over here, but anyway, still was fun out there. If you enjoyed seeing me have fun and catch something when there's nothing. Ouch, what was that? Come back tomorrow for Wave a Day Part 4.